Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Abhilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese and Australian dollar, Canadian dollar and many more. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Australian dollar, Canadian dollar or CAD for Monday. Okay. 15th March 2021. So this analysis is for Monday, 15th March 2021 only. I'll be coming back again tomorrow with the analysis for Tuesday. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So we can see that market's last traded price is 0.9674. Okay, let me take out the pencil. Market was in uptrend, no doubt, and market went sideways for a while, and after that market came down. Market went up a little bit and market fell again. Again market went up, got the resistance at the 50 moving average and market fell again. And if you have watched my previous video, then hopefully you have made good profit, okay, by shorting the market here. And if you are looking for a fresh position, and then let's try to see where the area of value will lie and what should be a strategy for Monday if you're looking for a fresh position. Okay, so we can see that market has got support, okay, good support at this range. So 0.9665, okay, this is the mass support for market. Let me write support at 0.9665. So this level is very important for the market. Okay, the support level is very important because when market fell big time, you can see that market bounced from here. Okay, and it was not a small bounce. More or less, it was a good bounce for the market. And market, okay, from there market went up, got resistance at the 50 moving average, and as a result, it had to come down again. So we need to see how the market reacts after the opening on Monday. Okay, if we see that market has opened somewhere around here, okay, then just wait and watch. Okay, just observe the market, just try to understand the market psychology. In case you see that market comes down, okay, in case market comes down, then just observe how the price reacts in this support range. Okay, this level is very important for the market as of now. Okay, 0.9665. If you see that market is taking support, or this level is providing the required support to the market, okay, then it's well and good. Then just wait for the market to bounce back from here. If you see that market has successfully bounced back, okay, from here, then you'll see some good price rejection from below or a big bullish candle, then easily you can enter here. Okay, but confirmation is very important. Okay, confirmation is very important. Then easily you can enter here and you will be making some good money. In case market fails to hold this support and due to some heavy selling pressure, market crosses this level, then wait for some time, wait for 1 hour or at least 2 hours and just see how the market is doing. If you see that after 1 or 2 hours market is still trading below this level, that means that this support has become the resistance now. Okay, in that case you can short the market here, but make sure that the price is being supported by volume. Okay, so you can you can short the market here once you observe that this support has become the resistance, and in case it bounces from here, then you can go ahead and buy. On the other hand, if market goes up, let me change the color. In case market goes up from here, okay, in case market goes up, then again you need to wait for the market to hit the 50 moving average. Okay, So this is the 50 moving average. You just need to wait and watch. So your resistance, okay, your first resistance is the 50 MA. 50 moving average is the first resistance. Okay, you just need to wait and observe how the price reacts once it hits the 50 moving average. If after hitting the 50 moving average you see that price is getting rejection from above, okay, there is some price rejection from above, the sellers have joined the party again, the bulls are losing their power, okay, and if you see some good bully bearish candle, red candle, then you can short the market at the 50 moving average. Okay, so this is the simple strategy for Australian dollar, Canadian dollar that you can follow for uh, Monday. Okay, you can follow this strategy on Monday to make some good money out of it. So this is it. Thank you so much. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I always bring videos daily so that you get to stay ahead of the market. Thank you so much, and you can also visit my website if you want to know more about me. Thank you so much, and do visit my website. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.